Welcome to this room tour at the MGM Grand Hotel and Casino. We're at the 25th floor and we're gonna see a standard 2-bed room. So let's find the room. Welcome to the MGM room 107 on the 25th floor. It's a 2-bed queen, so there's 2 beds and there are queen beds. In the middle of the beds there's a little nightstand with a clock radio, an in-house phone, the remote control, and a drawer without anything in it. We can see that it is we have cleaned our room, and we have a little block and a little pencil and a light in the middle of the bed, the middle of the beds. Then we have the other bed, same size, same pillows. We have 2 chairs. We have a strip view here, so we can see the strip. We can see New York, Park MGM, Area, Cosmopolitan, Bellagio, and almost all the way down the strip. So that's actually a pretty nice view. Once again, we will take a look at the night view later in this video. We have a trash can, we have a lamp, we have a place where we can sit or put all our stuff. We have an ice bucket, and behind the ice bucket there is a USB port and USB-C and 2 power outlets. We forgot the power outlets by the bed, where we actually have some light switches. Probably switch on the light and switch off the bed lights. And we have a power switch and a USB and a USB-C. Let's go back to the television. The television is standard MGM, where you can see all your things. You can see, television, you can see your account, and so on. We have a lot of cabinets here with a lot of drawers. All the drawers should be empty. It is a smoke-free room. All the rooms in the MGM are smoke-free, almost all in Vegas. We have a mini bar, some water, some chips, beef jerky. We have some different kind of liquor. Please remember, all these mini fridges are sensor activated, so if you lift something, you will pay for something. So don't even open up, and if you have children, don't show them that there is something funny in here. You got a little fridge for your own stuff. It's not big, but big enough, bigger than nothing. Let's close these again. These rooms are combining rooms, so if you have a large family or going here with a lot of kids, you can rent 2 rooms next to each other. On the other side, there's a little cabinet. There's an iron and an ironing board, place to put your suitcase, and of course a safe with some instructions on every imaginable language, from English to Chinese and Japanese. Hopefully we'll win a lot of money so we can use the safe. We have some hangers where you can hang your clothes, and a bag for your dirty clothes if you need MGM to wash some of it. If they have to wash it, you have to pay for it. Then we have a bathroom. We have a shower with some shampoo, some conditioner, some body wash. Let's see if we can open the door. Standard US shower. a rather big shower, so I think you can be washed in there. There's a trash can, there's a little art on the wall, toilet, a sink with hand wash and body wash, and of course a mirror, and even a mirror for makeup. Man and mirror not included. And down under we have all the towels, so once again we have plenty of towels, and there is a hairdryer in the back. Well, that was the room tour. Before we'll see the night sky, let's just take an overview over the room. And here it is, the night sky. We have New York, New York, Park MGM area. We have Cosmopolitan, and you can see Caesar's Palace. You can see the Polo Towers, and you can almost see Hollywood down there. Bellagio is actually also in the view. And of course, MGM Grand.